Alright, what up fam? So we're about to put the spark plugs in my car. Right man, boom, don't drop them. Take y'all over and get her done. There we go. Alright, so Audi A4 wagon. And see if I can get you a good spot there. That looks pretty good. And right about there. Alright. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 cylinders. Basically going to pop the coil up and swap the plugs pretty easy. So usually use like a flat tool like this, screwdriver, whatever. Be careful, just go slow, kind of wiggle them as you go up and go straight up. And then I'll do all 4 and then I'll take them all out at once. Alright, so I got all the plugs, coil plugs out. Do a quick check on them, make sure no damage. Make sure there's no arcing. So that's what they look like. Check the inside, make sure it's clean. Definitely have some dirt in them. I got 2 on here that have been already replaced. 2 older ones in the back that I might replace soon, because I have been having some misfire issues, which is why I'm replacing my plugs. The ones that were in it, whoever had this car before, weren't factory plugs and it wasn't running right, so swap into factory plugs. Audi brand, and it makes a huge difference. So I went through them, checked all my spark from my plugs, my coils. I got one weak one in the back, so and it has been misfiring. So all right, get your socket, spark plug socket, wrench, and that's set, ready to go. Also, before you take them out, I like to clean out, make sure there's no dirt in there. And then always check, make sure there's no oil down there, so you don't have to replace the valve cover gasket also. couple of those are pretty weak. Stand by. Pro tip, add a bit, extension, pull the socket off. After you break it loose by hand first. Magnet, because apparently I'm missing the boot on the inside of my socket. So, and there you go, toasted, freaking super toasted. Look at all that shit on there, all that chunks of carbon. Look at this, see if I can get you to focus. See all that? Terrible. And I've cleaned these 2 to 3 times. NGK, good plugs, but not the right ones for this. Done. Done. Toasted. Same. Toasted. Toasted. Alright, new plug time. So, new plugs, already gapped them. Check your specs and your gaps. 32 thousandths, 3 to of an inch on these, 0.032. Usually add a little anti-seize to the threads so they go in easy and come out easy the next time. Make sure that all the holes are cleaned out. And then also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna check the insides of my threads and pistons real quick. back. Alright. Alright. Alright, all look good. No damage, no oil, no dirt, clean. Valve cover gaskets are good. And piston, top of the pistons are good. No cracks, no burns, no dings, scrapes, anything. So we're good to go. Throw the plugs in. And then always check, make sure your plugs are in good condition, no damage. Don't want to be chasing any false misfires. I've seen that happen. Usually I take a magnet and drop them in. Thread them up, get them started. And I've already checked them all, make sure there's no damage. I've gapped them, added a little anti-seize on them, and made sure everything's good to go. And usually you can put them in your socket and get them in, but the socket's missing the little rubber bushing in to grip it. So got them started by hand, and we'll keep going. It's a little faster. Sometimes I use my impact, but you don't want to go too fast and break something. So usually I just spin them quick by hand. Get them all seated. And then I'll go through, once that's all done and they're all snugged up, hand first, then I'll tighten them with a wrench. Don't overdo them. Be gentle. Just make sure there's nice and tight, but not too tight. Yeah. Good. All right, boom. So that's it. Make sure there's no dirt in there. Make sure your coils are all cleaned out as well. And pop them back in. And all the coils look good. There's no damage. There's no spark jumping. Always check and inspect everything as you go. Alright, line them up. There's little notches on each side of the coil. Make sure they're straight. Make sure the plug on the outside is snapped in as well for the harness. And everything's tight. Good to go. Remove your tools. And everything's tight. Let's fire this beast up. Alright, we're set. Running good. Million times better. Way better. Listen to it. Yeah. No more misfire. Gone. Oh yeah. Alright. So that's it. We got her done. Set. New plugs in. On to the next thing. Alright. Get out there. Turn some wrenches. Live it up. And roast them. Peace.